Experiencing T-Mobile app crashes on your Android or iPhone? You're not alone. This often happens due to accumulated cache, outdated app versions, or compatibility issues after OS updates. Common causes include accumulated cache, outdated app versions, and OS update compatibility issues. Let's fix it. First, try the basics. Restart your device. For a quick fix on Android, go to Settings, Apps, T-Mobile, Force Stop, then Clear Cache. On iPhone, offload the app in Settings, General, iPhone Storage, T-Mobile Offload App, or try a reinstall. These steps often resolve common crashes. If problems persist, there may be deeper OS issues. If basic fixes don't resolve T-Mobile app crashes, ensure your phone's operating system is fully up to date. Outdated OS versions can cause compatibility conflicts with the app. Check and grant necessary app permissions in your device settings. The T-Mobile app needs access to location, storage, and other permissions to function properly. To prevent future crashes, regularly clear the app's cache and keep the T-Mobile app updated to the latest version. If crashes persist, the issue may be server-related or account-specific. Contact T-Mobile support directly for personalized assistance. Looking ahead, AI-driven diagnostics are becoming more common, using predictive maintenance to minimize crashes. By 2026, expect a 20 to 25% reduction in crash-related complaints.